Hey everyone, welcome back to Unlocktherapy. I'm Shafayat, and today we're tackling a problem we've all faced at least once, getting locked out of your phone. Don't panic. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, I've got you covered with simple methods to get back into your device. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Google's Find My Device. For Android users, Google's Find My Device is your first go-to solution. Here's how you can use it. Grab another device or computer and head over to the Find My Device website. Sign in using the Google account linked to your locked phone. Select your locked phone from the device list. Click on Lock, set a new password, and voila, you're back in. Method 2. Factory Reset. If Find My Device doesn't work, a factory reset might be your last resort. But remember, this will erase all your data. Only use this option if you have no other choice. Turn off your phone. Hold the volume up and power buttons. This may vary by device. Navigate to Wipe Data Factory Reset using the volume buttons and confirm with the power button. Your phone will reset, but don't forget to regularly back up your data to avoid losing important files. Method 3. Samsung's Find My Mobile. Samsung users, you're in luck. Samsung has its own tool, Find My Mobile. Visit the Samsung Find My Mobile website. Sign in with your Samsung account. Choose your locked device and click Unlock. Easy, right? Method 1. iCloud's Find My iPhone. iPhone users, Apple's iCloud service is here to help. Open the iCloud website on a computer or another device. Log in with your Apple ID. Click Find iPhone and select your locked device. Choose Erase iPhone and your phone will reset, removing the lock screen password. Method 2. Recovery Mode. If iCloud doesn't work, try Recovery Mode. Connect your iPhone to a computer and open iTunes or Finder for macOS Catalina or later. Force restart your iPhone while it's connected. This process varies depending on your model. When the recovery mode screen appears, select Restore in iTunes or Finder. After the process completes, you can set up your iPhone as new. If none of these methods work, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support or visit a service center. They're there to help. And remember, always keep your data backed up so you're prepared for situations like this. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. For more in-depth guides, visit our website at unlocky.net. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.